Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are thinking about creating an online course but aren't sure which platform to use, you're in the right place. Today, we're going over 8 of the best platforms for creating and selling online courses. First up, Teachable. This platform is great for beginners. It's easy to use with a simple interface, customizable course pages, and integrated payment processing. Plus, it has built-in marketing tools. The downside: if you want advanced customization, you'll need a higher priced plan. Teachable is ideal if you want to get started quickly without much tech know-how. Next is Udemy. Known for its massive user base, Udemy offers a great opportunity to reach a large audience. The course creation tools are straightforward, but the platform does take a significant cut of your sales. It's perfect if you want to get your course in front of a lot of people quickly. Thinkific is another popular choice. It offers a free plan, customizable course websites, and integrations with other tools. However, advanced features are locked behind higher-priced plans. Thinkific is ideal if you're looking for a bit more flexibility and scalability as your business grows. If you need an all-in-one solution, Kajabi might be your best bet. Kajabi combines course creation, website building, email marketing, and CRM tools. The only drawback is a higher price point. But if you're serious about building a business, Kajabi's comprehensive features might be worth it. For a platform with high credibility, consider Coursera. It partners with universities and institutions, making it great for professional development and accredited courses. The application process is more rigorous, so it's best for universities or professionals looking to offer accredited courses. Skillshare is perfect for those in creative fields. It's community-driven, and you can earn royalties from your courses. It's great for artists and designers, but you'll have less control over pricing and revenue. If you're in a creative industry, Skillshare could be a good option. Podia is an excellent choice if you want simplicity. It has straightforward pricing with no transaction fees and built-in email marketing tools. However, it offers fewer customization options compared to platforms like Kajabi. It's a solid choice for creators or small businesses looking for an affordable solution. Lastly, LearnWorlds is fantastic for creating interactive courses. It offers a highly customizable course player and interactive elements like quizzes. However, it has a steeper learning curve. If you want to create engaging, interactive courses, LearnWorlds is worth considering. So, there you have it, -8 great platforms to create and sell your online courses. Each has its unique strengths, so the best choice depends on your specific needs, such as ease of use or pricing. I hope this helps you find the right platform for your online course. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.